Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash, and today I have a car, and you've heard me talk about this before, and you've heard me talk about a fellow who has a channel called Rats Live, and he has turned out an amazing one of these with a lot of modifications. I can't speak enough about it, so check out his build on his channel, Rats Live. And what we're going to look at today is Ohio George Montgomery's multi-Maverick. Now, a lot of you guys have built this in the past, some haven't. I have put it off for many years because it's just too much does not look like a Maverick to me. Having owned a few Mavericks in my day, I wanted something that looked a little more Maverick-ish. Check out Rats Live and see what he does to make this look like a Maverick. It's beautiful. So let's take a look at this kit and let's see what's in it. Here's the side of the box. And of course the other side of the box. Apparently this is designed for two different wheelbases. Okay, I've taken the liberty to take everything out of the most everything out of the plastic, which takes a moment. Boy, it's going to take me forever just to open up these instructions. Here we go. And here you go, the good old-fashioned multi-Maverick instructions. So, looks like we have a, looks like a big block Ford, like a Boss 429 is what it looks like. And then you've got a couple of different options on where you can put the engine, apparently. Kind of interesting. The suspension, wheels, wheelie bars, front suspension. Here's the interior. And then we've got the front end. You've got altered or stock. The stock is for, what is the stock for? I think for a gasser. But anyway, same here with the drive line, because it depends on where you're putting the engine in this thing. And putting the interior tub in, putting the front end on, and then the fender panels for either the stock or for the altered, and then your taillights and all of your decals you can put on. Okay. So, let's take a look at the decals and see what they look like. Again, I've never owned this kit because I just couldn't bring myself to have a Maverick that looked like this until, again, somebody showed me the way on how to make it look like a real Maverick. So, but here's the instructions. Here's the decals. They look pretty good. And then more garbage for the garbage god. Okay. We'll start out with the clear piece. You've got the cut in the windshield here. Side windows and rear window, good. Little teeny taillights. Teeny taillights. Okay, here is your chrome tree. And honestly, most of this I will strip. What I do wind up using, I might keep the grill the way it is, we'll see, and the bumper of course, but a lot of this we're going to strip and redo. But bug catcher heads, ladder bars, front end, and then your wheels here. here's the body. This huge thing I'm gonna have to fix. Thank goodness my buddy Rob at Rats Live took care of that and showed me the way on how to make that look decent. This scoop is going bye-bye. Yeah, it's going. We'll put a different scoop in, I'm sure, but that's just yuck. Other than that, I mean, the body's okay for what it is. If you're building Ohio George's car, great, have fun. Here's the frame, and my frame is just slightly tweaked this way. See if I can get that in a position where you can see it. Yeah, it's just slightly tweaked. Transmission, engine, the blower belt, front spoiler, exhaust pipes, rear end, part of the roll cage, front fenders. Wow, there's your altered ones and there's your stock ones, and your interior tub. And this. Still not sure. I'm obviously wanting to make a funny car out of this, but not sure yet how that's gonna play out. We'll play that by ear. Here is the wheel backs and your axle pin. Now the tires on this, you've got M&H Race Masters pad printed, which look pretty good, and then just that side's a Blackwall M&H. Got two of those, and then got these little teeny pizza cutter front tires. So and that's it. That's the multi-Maverick. So however you decide to build it, great, enjoy it. If you're doing Ohio George's car, looks like it's fairly simple and easy to build. Like I say, I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of this chrome and redo that. That was one of the problems when building these old kits years ago, is you kind of scraped off the chrome best you could, and you used your tube glue, and it never did turn out right. So we're going to strip that down. Decals and the body, which is going to take for me a bunch of modification, but it'll be fine. And there you go. All right, folks, well, thanks for joining us this week on the Stash, and we'll see you again in a couple of weeks with something else. Bye bye.